Welcome back, everyone. In our last segment, Ayesha told us how her dream of starting a business began. She made handmade jewelry and sold her first bracelet online. That was such an inspiring story.
Thank you, sir. Yes, it was a small start, but it made me very happy.
That's how every big thing begins, with one small step. Now tell us, Alicia, what happened next?
So, after my first sale, I felt very excited. I wanted to make more bracelets and post more pictures. But then I faced a problem.
Oh, what kind of problem?
I didn't know how to get more people to see my products. Only my friends followed my page.
Ah, I see. You wanted to reach new customers. That's a common challenge in every business. What did you do about it?
At first, I didn't know what to do. Then I watched some videos about marketing. I learned that I needed to promote my products.
Excellent. That's a very important business skill. Let's explain for our listeners. Marketing means telling people about your product so that they want to buy it.
Yes, sir. I started learning simple marketing steps.
That's great. Tell us what you learned.
First, I learned about taking good pictures. One video said, a clear photo is the first impression of your product.
That's a wonderful tip. Did you start taking new photos?
Yes, sir. I used natural light and made a clean background. Then I wrote short sentences in English under each picture.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. One post said, handmade bracelet made with love and care. Another one said, perfect gift for someone special.
Beautiful. That's simple and emotional English. Perfect for beginners and for customers.
Thank you, sir. At first, I was shy about writing in English. But I told myself, it's okay. Even if I make a mistake, I'm learning.
That's a great attitude, Ayesha. You're learning English through your business.
Yes, sir. I also tried to reply to every message in English. Sometimes I had to use Google Translate.
That's fine. It's a smart tool when used for learning.
Yes, and slowly I started remembering words. I learned new business phrases like, thank you for your order, your package will be shipped tomorrow, please share your feedback.
Wonderful. Those are very useful phrases. Let's explain their meaning. Thank you for your order, a polite way to thank a customer. Your package will be shipped tomorrow, means you will send their order soon. And please share your feedback. You are asking for their opinion.
I noticed that when I spoke politely, customers were happy.
That's true. Politeness is very important in business English. You can use words like please, thank you, could you, and I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I started using those words more.
Great. So, how did your page grow after that?
Slowly, more people started following me. Some of my customers shared my products on their pages, and new people found me.
That's how growth happens, through trust and quality.
Yes, sir. I learned that if I make good products and treat customers well, they tell others.
Perfect. That's called word of mouth marketing.
Oh, what does that mean?
It means when one customer tells another person about your product. For example, if someone says, Ayesha's jewelry is so beautiful, you should buy from her. That's word of mouth marketing.
Oh, I see. So my customers help me grow my business without me asking.
Exactly. That's the best kind of promotion.
Sir, I also started keeping a notebook for my business.
That's very organized. What do you write in it?
I write how many bracelets I make, how much I spend on materials, and how much I earn.
Excellent. That helps you calculate profit.
Yes, sir. I learned a simple formula. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price.
That's correct. Let's say you make a bracelet for 200 rupees and you sell it for 300 rupees. Your profit is 100 rupees.
Yes, sir. I write all that down. It helps me plan.
You're doing great, Ayesha. And you're using English to manage your business too.
Yes, sir. I write everything in English, like date, items, price, profit.
That's an excellent English practice method.
Sir, can I ask something?
Of course.
Sometimes when I write business captions or replies, I don't know if my English sounds natural.
That's a good question. The best way to sound natural is to listen more to English podcasts, YouTube videos, or read short business posts. You'll start to feel how sentences flow.
Oh, so by listening and reading, I can learn how to write better.
Exactly. Pronunciation tip. When you speak English words like business or customer, say them slowly. Business, customer.
Business, customer. Okay, I got it.
Very good. Practicing pronunciation helps your confidence too.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Ayesha. Now, let's talk about another important part. Motivation. Did you ever feel like giving up?
Yes, sir. Many times. Sometimes no one ordered anything for many days. I felt sad and thought maybe my business will fail.
That's normal. Every business has slow days. What did you do then?
I took a short break, listened to some motivational podcasts, and made new designs. Then, when I posted again, people liked my new work.
That's great. You turned a problem into a new idea. That's called learning through experience.
Yes, sir. And I realized one thing. If I stop working, nothing changes. But if I try again, something good always happens.
Beautiful lesson, Ayesha. That's a great example for all learners, in business and in English.
Thank you, sir.
So, to summarize today's learning, take good pictures, use simple English captions, be polite with customers, keep records of your work, and never give up when it's slow.
Yes, sir. These are the rules I follow every day.
Wonderful. You've grown not only as a business owner, but also as an English speaker.
Thank you, sir. I think English helped me grow my business and my business helped me improve English.
That's the best combination.
I agree.
In the next segment, we'll talk about how Ayesha managed her time, handled stress, and balanced her studies with her business, all while continuing to learn English.
I'm excited for that, sir.
Great. Listeners, don't go anywhere. We'll be back soon with more real English learning.